Welcome on board Norwegian Spirit. We're going to give you a full tour of a standard balcony cabin on this ship. We just happen to be aft-ish on deck 11. These rooms were part of the $100 million renovation back in 2022, and you're going to see that it truly shows. These rooms have clever storage, they're beautifully laid out, and the furnishings are gorgeous. Let's go take a look around. We found the bed oversized and comfy, with thoughtful details around it that make the space both functional and relaxing. In this side table, we stored slippers, pajamas, reading glasses, and books for easy access. Above the table are the light controls and a USB plug. Just be sure to bring a long enough cable to reach. The adjustable reading light swivels, which is handy. On the other side of the bed, you'll find the same lights and storage. Next up, the chair. This converts to a twin-size bed, and your room steward can switch it from a couch to a bed each evening so you have more space and easy balcony access during the day. Moving on to the vanity, it's a good size, and this is where you'll find the main AC outlets. I used this drawer for my curling iron, so it was easy to grab near the outlets and the mirror. There was also space for flat items here, like paperwork. The stool is lightweight and can be moved around the cabin for seating. There are also 2 USB chargers, plus a vanity light around the mirror. For charging, I suggest bringing a European adapter or 2 if you need extra power. Across from the bed is a wall-mounted TV with additional storage underneath. The TV swivels so you can adjust it depending on where you're watching from. These shelves are a great spot to store your freestyle daily schedule, the remote, and other papers you accumulate during the cruise. Continuing toward the closet area, you'll find the easy-to-use thermostat. The quick cool feature was great, especially on the hottest days of our cruise. We also used the built-in hooks for handbags, robes, and hats, and the full-length mirror was perfect for a quick outfit check before heading out. Now let's take a look inside the closet. It's spacious and clever with some high-end features. The first large section has wood hangers and space for clothing. We asked for more hangers on the first day, and our room steward gladly provided them. There are 4 drawers here, with the hairdryer being located in the top one. It plugs in at the vanity, not in the closet. These drawers also have a soft close feature, which means they don't slam shut and they stay closed. On the right side of the closet is a safe, and above it, a kettle and cups for tea or instant coffee. We picked up coffee packets and port and made our own in-room setup. The kettle heats up pretty quickly and plugs in just like the hairdryer over at the main desk area. The safe operates with a 4-digit code and holds smaller items like passports, wallets, cameras, and tablets. Beneath that, you'll find more shelving and the mini fridge, which you can empty and use for drinks if you'd like. And here's another look at the hanging spaces. On the far left is open shelving, perfect for longer cruises when you have extra clothing and shoes. Here's a tip for you. Slide your packing cubes directly onto the shelves to unpack quickly and stay organized throughout your cruise. Now, let's check out the restroom. It's split into 3 sections. In the center is the sink and a vanity with 1 drawer and a built-in wastebasket. There's also a small shelf nook for items that you use frequently. On the right is the toilet area, and on the far left, the shower enclosure with a glass door. Inside are 2 shelves, a soap and shampoo dispenser, and an adjustable shower head. You can change both the height and the spray style of the shower head. We use the clothesline often for wet swimwear and laundry. And finally, the spot you'll probably spend a lot of time, the covered balcony. This little balcony is a great place to enjoy a little bit of coffee or some room service breakfast before you go ashore. I hope that you've enjoyed this room tour. Be sure to drop us a comment below and let us know if you're planning to sail on Norwegian Spirit and what you are most excited about. Until next time, we'll see you on the high seas.